So let's discuss what is beauty. For me, beauty is simplicity. For me, beauty is compassion. For me, beauty is learning a new skill every day. For me, beauty is praying for others unconditionally. For me, beauty is starting your day with a smile. For me, beauty is loving people, caring for them. For me, beauty is accepting rather expecting. For me, beauty is respecting the past and embracing the future. Beauty is to share. Beauty is to smile. Beauty is to explore the world. Every man on this earth, every woman on this earth is very beautiful.